Example number 2, in figure 1.13, BC perpendicular to AB, BC perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB, BC is equal to 4, length of BC is equal to 4, length of AD is equal to 8. Find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. In a triangle ABC and a triangle ADB, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. Triangle ABC, base is AB, height is BC. Triangle ADB, base is AB, height is AD. Base equals, hence area of triangle proportional to heights. Height of triangle ABC, BC, height of triangle ADB, AD, bases equal, hence areas, proportional to their heights. Area proportional to their heights means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to, value of BC is 4, value of AD is 8. 4 divided by 4 means 1, 8 divided by 4 means 2, means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 divided by 2. Example number 3, in adjoining figure 1.14, segment PS perpendicular to segment RQ. Segment QT perpendicular to segment PR. Segment QT perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6, and PR is equal to 12, and find QT. Solution. In a triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 divided by 2 into base into height. Means area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 divided by 2 into base QR into height PS. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 divided by 2 into base QR, value of QR is 6, value of PS is 6. 2 divided by 2 means 1, 6 divided by 2 means 3. Means area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 into 6 means 18 square unit. 18 square unit. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 18 square unit. Divided by 2 into base PR into height QT is equal to area of triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, base is the PR, height is QT. Means 1 divided by 2 into base PR into height QT is equal to area of triangle PQR. 1 divided by 2 into value of PR is 12 into QT is equal to area of triangle PQR is equal to 18. Means 12 divided by 2 means 6. 6 into QT is equal to 18. Multiply 6 in the side divides. means QT is equal to 18 divided by 6 means QT is equal to 18 divided by 6 means 3 is equal to 3 unit. Value of QT is equal to, example number 4, in adjoining figure AP is a perpendicular to BC. AP is a perpendicular to BC. AD is a parallel to BC. AD is a parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Construction. Draw segment DM perpendicular to line BC. Draw segment DM perpendicular to line BC. Segment AD parallel to segment BC. Segment AP perpendicular to side BC. Segment AP perpendicular to side BC. Segment DM perpendicular to line BC means AP is equal to DM. Distance between two parallel lines are equal. Distance between two parallel lines are equal. Equation number 1. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD is equal to base BC into height AP. Base BC into height DM. BC get cancelled means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD is equal to AP divided by DM means AP from equation 1. From equation 1. Value of DM and AP equal from equation 1. AP get cancelled means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 divided by 1 means area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. Example number 5, in adjoining figure PQ perpendicular to BC, AD is a perpendicular to BC, then find following. Number 1, area of triangle PQB divided by area of triangle PBC. Second, area of triangle PBC divided by area of triangle ABC. Third, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADC. Fourth, area of triangle ADC divided by area of triangle PQC. Solution. In a triangle PQB and a triangle PBC, area of triangle PQB divided by area of triangle PBC. From figure, area of triangle PQB, BQ is a base, PQ is a height, divided by area of triangle PBC, base is a BC, height is a PQ. Heights equal means area proportional to their bases. Triangle PQB, base BQ divided by triangle PBC, base BC means heights equal, hence areas proportional, area proportional two bases. Area proportional to bases. Number one. Number second, area of triangle PBC divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PBC. PBC. Base is the BC, height is the PQ. Area of triangle ABC. ABC. Base is the BC, height is the AD. Means base equal area of triangle PBC, height PQ divided by area of triangle ABC, height AD. Triangles having equal base. Triangles having equal bases means area proportion. Number third, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADC. In a triangle ABC, base BC, height is AD. In a triangle ADC, base DC, height AD. Heights equal means area proportional to bases. Area of triangle ABC, base is BC divided by area of triangle ADC, base is BC, means triangles having equal heights means area proportional to their bases. Number 4, area of triangle ADC divided by area of triangle PQC is equal to triangle ADC, base DC, height AD. Triangle PQC, base QC, height PQ, means area of triangle ADC, base DC into height AD, whole divided by area of triangle PQC, base QC into height PQ. Ratio of area of two triangles